Welcome to a video by mfceilings.co.uk. We're going to be showing you how to create an MF ceiling so it's ready to accept plasterboard. Before you start, get all of your components and fixings together. You'll find a list of everything you'll need by following the link on screen now. First step is to measure the drop of your ceiling. That is how far you want your MF ceiling to sit below the original ceiling. Mark a line around the room at the height, or you use a laser level if you have one. Step 2. Your MF ceiling is going to sit on this perimeter, so it needs to be securely fixed every 150mm. How you fix it to your wall depends on the type of wall. If you're unsure about the right fixings to use, give us a call. Number 3. Our edge trim is in place, so we're ready for the hanger angles, which will make sure the ceiling doesn't sag in the center of the room. To get the right length for each hanger angle, measure from the ceiling to the bottom of the edge trim. Cut each angle to that size using your tin snips. Number 4. Assuming you're going to be adding a single layer of plasterboard to your frame, mark 1200mm intervals along the top of 2 opposite walls. Set a line between each mark. Use your line set tool to make sure it's straight. Now repeat for the other 2 walls to create a 1200mm by 1200mm grid where each line intersects. Fix a hanger angle to the ceiling using angle brackets or acoustic hangers, nuts and bolts. Number 5. Measure a section of the primary channel to the length of the longest line you've just drawn. Then take 3 to 5mm off that to make it a simple fix. Drop the channels in place so it rests on the edge channel and sits against the hanger angles. Connect the channel to the angles using wafer head screws. Now do that for each section of primary channel. Number 6. To complete your grid, connect furring sections at right angles to your primary channels. Where you place the furring sections will depend on the size of each plasterboard. You'll probably want each section at 400mm or 450mm centers. Slot each furring section into the edge trim. It should sit just below the primary channels. Connect each section using MF9 connecting clips. Remember, the top hat of the sections always faces downwards. Now, complete the rest of your furring sections. You now have a complete metal framework ceiling. Call us on 0125 3864 902.